Thank you very much. Thank you to the organizer and to the Jerusalem Development Authority for giving us the opportunity to present Emris. Emris Pharma is targeting a huge unmet need in supportive cancer care, one you may not even know exists. Imagine facing the battle of your life against cancer, only to be held back by the very treatment meant to save you. That is the reality for many patients facing severe skin damage from targeted cancer therapies, such as EGFR inhibitors. EGFR inhibitors antibodies are cancer drugs used to fight advanced colon, head and neck, and lung cancer because EGFR is expressed on the tumor. The problem is EGFR is also expressed on our skin. So when the drug fights the cancer, it also attacks the skin. Here is a patient with colon cancer. She came to the clinic on day 1 of her treatment. 2 weeks later, not just in the tumor, but also in the skin, causing their local inflammation and tissue damage. At Emris, we developed the first solution that can actually prevent this from happening. Our solution is based on a small molecule, and one of its key advantages is its targeted action. The molecule binds to the receptor and blocks the binding of the cancer drug to the skin, locally to the skin cells, keeping them healthy and functional. Our product is topical, preventive, non-toxic, and most importantly, it has no systemic interference with the cancer treatment. We published our research 3 years ago in Science Translational Medicine and founded the company, and since then we achieved significant preclinical milestones. We showed efficacy and validated our solution in all approved EGFR antibodies and several in late-stage development. We also developed a formulation that actually delivered the molecule to the hair follicle where the EGFR are mostly concentrated. We've shown stability, safety. We have full analytical characterization. We also completed the GLP tox program, the PK and CMC manufacturing, and we are now ready for clinic. Our first in-human is planned to start in Q3 2026 at Hadassah Medical Center here in Jerusalem. And speaking of Jerusalem, this project, this journey, started 10 years ago in Jerusalem with a collaboration between Dr. Sharon Merins, the head of the Oncodermatology Clinic at Hadassah Medical Center, and Professor Ofra Beni from the Hebrew University of Jerusalem. And it started with this simple question: how can we help patients stay on their life-saving treatment without suffering from the side effects? 3 years ago, this collaboration became the foundation of Emris Pharma. Today, we have a highly optimized product, a dedicated team of experts, and we are supported by very known international KOLs that helped us design our clinical program. We are moving fast to help to bring this solution to the patient. We are talking about a $1.6 billion opportunity, growing at a significant CAGR. In addition, by reducing therapy discontinuation, we can save pharma companies and insurers up to $800 million per year. So this is clearly not just a clinical need, but also a financial opportunity. So here we are at the end of our preclinical journey. We have submitted our clinical application to Ministry of Health, and we are currently raising $4 million to complete our phase 1/2A program, with $1 million still open for investors. By early 2028, we expect to reach a major value inflection point supported by the clinical proof of concept in context of a very high unmet clinical need. So bottom line, we are developing this innovative, first-in-class solution with a novel mechanism of action based on a preventive approach, a unique topical formulation, and a clear unmet need for these cancer patients. I think we all agree that it is not just a nice-to-have solution, but really a must-have. And I just want to add that we are proudly part of the Next October initiative, commemorating Achia Daskal, Zichro Livracha, a true hero from Golani whose legacy continues to inspire us every day. Thank you very much.